In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Photoshop or any application in Windows Firewall. If you want to stop an app from using the internet, maybe to troubleshoot, reduce background traffic, or keep it fully offline, this quick method will do the trick. Start by opening your firewall settings. Go to the search bar on the bottom left of your screen and type Firewall. From the results, open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. This is the advanced view where we can create custom rules. On the left, select Outbound Rules. Outbound rules control the traffic that leaves your computer, which is exactly what we want to block. On the right side, in the Actions panel, click New Rule to open the Rule Wizard, choose Program, and click Next. This tells Windows you want the rule to apply to a specific application. Now we need to point Windows to the app's executable file. Click Browse, navigate to your system drive, usually local disk C, then go to Program Files. If your app is 32-bit or installed differently, you might need Program Files, x86. Open the Adobe folder, then the folder for the app you're working with. For Photoshop, look for Photoshop XE, select it and click Open. If you keep a shortcut on your desktop, you can also browse to that. Windows will resolve it to the correct executable. If you don't see the shortcut, the Program Files path is the reliable route. Click Next. On the action screen, choose Block the Connection. This option cuts off the app's internet access regardless of the port, protocol, or service it tries to use. Click Next again. You'll see the Profiles page that asks when the rule applies. Make sure all three, domain, private, and public, are selected. This ensures the block stays in place no matter what network you're on, whether it's home, work, or a public connection. Click Next. Give your rule a clear name, like Adobe Photoshop Block Outbound. Naming it well makes it easy to find later if you want to change or remove it. Then click Finish. You should now see your new rule listed under Outbound Rules. From this point on, the application you selected won't be able to reach the internet. If you ever need to allow it again, just return to this window and disable or delete the rule. That's all you need to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical Windows and creative workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.